Alright guys, we got a cool one on the lot. Sun's starting to set, so it's a little dark out here. So you're not going to get a real good viewing of this maybe if the lighting ain't the greatest. We got some rust going on right here. But I'm not being picky because this is a 1984, alright? I expect it to have a little bit of rust. It's not an SS, but it has the, bumpers been swapped on it and stuff like that. It's got a little kit on it. Make it look more like an SS. I'm digging it though. We got a little real well rust back here. That's not too shabby. Like I said, it's an 84, man. We gotta bear with it. They're known for these frames rotting out back here. It's a little boogery. Looks like someone already did a plate on the bottom side here. Yep. Someone put a little patch there one time. Looks like. We got a little rust right there, a little spot. That's not bad though. Like I said, it's an 84. It's in Pennsylvania. To be this solid, that's not too shabby. I would definitely buy this car. Try to clean it up as best as I could. Oh man, she's beautiful. I'm loving it. This is a real car. They just don't make them like this anymore. This guy just picked this car up. He paid $2,000 for it. I told him, yeah, that's not too shabby. It's worth it to me. You know, maybe someone out there could have found it for $1,500 or less, or you know. But for an old Monte Carlo, $2,000. It's not too shabby. I don't think he got beat over the head. It's a little rusty in some areas. I put it up on the rack. I'll actually really tell how bad it is. The biggest thing though, it don't start. So yeah, it's not too shabby in here. Definitely got some rust down there in the corner of the door. Headliner's newer, but it's still sagging. I like it. Let me go get the keys and see why she ain't starting. I'm gonna pop the hood. He thinks it's fuel related. See what we got under the hood. I know it's got a carburetor on it because he already told me that much. And being an 84, I expect it to have a carburetor on it. Who knows who did what to this under here. Yep. Yep, definitely been tinkered with. Ain't none of this shit stock anymore. Wow. It's got a stock intake on it, but it's got some Edelbrock valve covers. Yeah, we have a fuel pump living down there. Well, we got like a 10-year-old battery in it. 9 of 08. Yes, it's 2017. I don't think this battery's gonna. Well, if it's still holding the juice, it started to turn it over. Let's see. Definitely needs to clean out all the leaves and shit. But check this bad boy out. We got 2 batteries in it. Yeah. Makes me wonder. I knew somebody had one of these Monte Carlos a long time ago. Yeah, here we go. He had a serious horn on that son of a bitch. He had a train horn. An actual train horn. But this, I don't think this is the same one. But this dude definitely had a nice little horn set up on here. Yeah, let me get the keys to see how she cranks.
Today's best music, today's wish. 99.7.
God bless you, babe. Keys for that Monte, they in the cabinet. Monte Carlo out there.
I don't think he gave it to us.
I know we got keys to that Ford truck. Did he leave me the keys? Here they go. They were left here. Aha. I want to see how it cranks. Alrighty, guys. Clock works. Yeah, got a nice sound to the cranking. No fireage though. Yep. Definitely right on that. He's not firing. He says you put a little bit of fuel down in the bowl of the carburetor, fires right up. Oh yeah, you know what? I definitely want to keep this locked up tonight. Just because he's got a Jensen little flip face in there. Hopefully I can lock these doors on this thing. Wait a second. Shit, I ain't gonna be able to lock these doors. And I can't even get the doors shut because of a faulty hinge, obviously. The hinge is bad. Typical old Monte Carlo. There you go. Yep, but I can't lock the door. Fuck. Does this remote thing work on it? Let's see here. Oh, it does. Imagine that. Fucking right. Okay, we can lock it, and it's alarmed. Alright, that shit does work on it. Something works. Great. Imagine that. Guys, you just don't know how many times I run into people bringing me something here and nothing works. For the love of God, for the life of it, for anything. Getting me all tongue twisted. But I'm digging a little Monte Carlo for sure. It's an 84. Like I said, it's not an SS, but it got the little kit on it to make it look like it is one. Now the hood won't shut. I don't want to slam it. There we go. Yeah, could use some wiper blades. Man, this thing needed wiper blades like since 1984. I think they did everything to the car but wiper blades in the last 20 years. This is a Firebird wing. Camaro / Firebird. Look, that wing ain't no different than this wing right here. Oh, check this out. Here's why they can't find the bathroom key. Imagine that. Someone left it out here. Oh, what am I going to do? Alright, guys. Well, please sub if you want. Sometimes you'll see some creative stuff on my videos, and sometimes you'll see some cool cars, and sometimes you'll learn something interesting, maybe. And sometimes you even find out where the bathroom key's at that's been missing. Hey, I found the bathroom key that was missing. Outside on the back of my Camaro. Yep. Let me go return this to the front. Thanks for watching.